Hello, fourth grade. Welcome back to music class. We are going to be doing a music composition lesson today. If you go into the fourth grade music section 1 course, then you can click into your music composition folder and find this lesson. In the lesson, I have started out by just outlining what the lesson will be about today. It says, making music is fun. Use this online interactive program to create your very own 16-beat melody. When you are finished, be sure to share it with your teacher via Gmail. So you're going to email, in your Gmail, you're going to email me your songs or compositions that you create with the interactive program. You can create as many compositions as you'd like, but you only need to submit one. You can also share your songs with your friends. You can do that via email or in our discussion board. Right here is the link for you to compose in that interactive program, but let's look ahead and see what else we've got in here. Right here is a demonstration video of how to create your 16-beat music compositions for this interactive lesson. And I've created this video. So if you just click on this blue link right here, it'll take you right to this demonstration video to check out at your leisure. And then if we go back in, we have our discussion board. Oops, it went ahead or behind. Ha! See, even teachers have user error. That said, this is our discussion board where I would ask you, after you watch our demonstration video from the previous slide, to go in and put in a question or two here about the activity. You can also respond to other students if you might have some good answers or some additional questions based on their questions, or maybe some helpful hints that you might have for them. Please use appropriate language and stay on topic with those questions. Again, though, if you go back to the previous slide, you can go right into that interactive demonstration, and it will help you to understand, if you go to our very first slide, how you are going to create that program here, an activity with Classics for Kids. This is a really fun lesson where you get to write your own songs. And again, those are just 16-beat songs. And again, be sure to refer back to that rubric as needed to make sure that you are on the right track for those submissions that you are going to be sending in your emails. I hope you enjoy this lesson and have fun with it.